The Honor 400 Lite is an upcoming smartphone that has recently surfaced through online retailer listings, providing a glimpse into its design and specifications. According to reports, the device is expected to feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Under the hood, it is anticipated to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 chipset, coupled with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, delivering robust performance for everyday tasks. Photography enthusiasts may appreciate the dual rear camera setup, highlighted by a 108-megapixel main sensor and a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, while the front-facing camera is speculated to be a 50-megapixel shooter, promising high-quality selfies. The device is also expected to house a 5,500 mAh battery with 35W wired charging support, offering extended usage and quick recharging capabilities. Additionally, the Honor 400 Lite is likely to run on Android 15 with macOS 9 and come equipped with connectivity features such as Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and 5G support. The smartphone is rumored to be available in black, aqua blue, and gray/silver color options, with a price point around €350. While an official announcement from Honor is still pending, these leaks provide an exciting preview of what to expect from the Honor 400 Lite.